High above the ground, these workers are beginning the process of dismantling the crane at the site of Havering's new family welcome centre in Howard Hill. The development will include 74 self-contained homes designed to support families while they find permanent housing. The centre will also feature shared spaces, a landscape courtyard for children to play in, and a new health centre serving the wider community. What you're seeing here is just a small part of the crane being taken down, and fair play to the workers up there. That's the job that definitely requires nerves of steel. Again, please like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. Till the next time.